Good evening, guys. Once again, we are back with our lockdown experiments and lockdown, what I would say, culinary journey and the culinary different culinary aspects we are trying to learn here. We are not trying to just learn the recipes. आपण फक्त रेसिपीज समजून घेत नाही आहोत तर त्याच्या मागचा इतिहास, त्या करण्याच्या पद्धती, त्याच्या शास्त्रीय पद्धती, त्याची शास्त्रीय कारणं आणि त्याचबरोबर त्याच्यासाठी लागणाऱ्या ऑथेंटिक रिक्वायरमेंट्स या आपण लॉकडाऊनच्या काळात आपल्याकडे असलेल्या गोष्टींपासनं कशा पद्धतीने हे करू शकतो, कशा पद्धतीने त्याचा वापर करू शकतो, how we can use whatever we have and whatever we can. Best possible utilization of the resources is the key for the lockdown. I'm just waiting for some of you to join in so we all can start. I'll just again run through the ingredients. The ingredients which I have already given, with that I think you'll be requiring little extra ingredients, which is like cashew nuts. I think I forgot to mention. So you may keep some cashew nut. We may need cashew nut paste. So that is what we will be requiring. Apart from that, we have got ginger garlic paste. We have got some finely sliced onion. I'll just turn the camera down now. We have got some 3 onions I have finely sliced. Okay. I made the tomato puree here. This is the tomato puree which is done and ready. So just take them out. Okay, don't focus too much on that black label bottle. Okay, so what we are going to do, I think, shall we start? Or should we wait for some more time for people to join in? A lot of people are joining in. Even though we can start, actually, that's not an issue. ओके, चला कर चालू. गणपती बाप्पा मोरया. ठीक आहे, चला, हरकत नाही. तर सुरुवात आपण करणार आहोत आता आपल्या चंगेजी चिकनचं. तर आता चिकन चंगेजी का सिलेक्ट केलं असेल आज? काय म्हणजे याच्यामागे काय कारण असावं की चिकन चंगेजी असं काय वेगळं आहे किंवा काय स्पेशल आहे असं या डिशमध्ये? की ठीक आहे ना, म्हणजे आता बटर चिकन दाखवलं, आता मुघलाई डिशेसवरतीच का जोर, किंवा मग फक्त चिकन चंगेजी सारखी अशी एखादी अशी ऑड रेसिपी किंवा ऑड नाव का आपण हे करतोय? तर त्याचं कारण असं आहे की चिकन चंगेजी इट्स अ हिस्टॉरिकल रेसिपी. ओके, सो वी ऑल नो देर वॉज अ फायटर और देर वॉज अ मुघल एम्परर, नॉट द एम्परर बट मुघल सेनापती होता चंगेज खान.
वॉरियर.
ही वॉज अ ग्रेट वॉरियर चंगेज खान इन 14th सेंचुरी. आता याच्या 2 स्टोरीज आहेत. एक स्टोरी अशी आहे की मुघल खानसाम्यांनी चंगेज खानला was a very cruel and very rude kind of warrior and fighter. तो त्याला प्लीज करण्यासाठी म्हणून एक रेसिपी बनवली किंवा ज्या रेसिपीज होत्या त्याच्यामध्ये मॉडिफिकेशन करून एक डिश बनवली जी चंगेज खानला खूप जास्त आवडली आणि म्हणून तिचं नाव चिकन चंगेजी पडलं. पण जेव्हा हिस्ट्री लाईन नीट जर बघितली आपण तर असं लक्षात येतं की 14व्या शतकामध्ये यमुनेचं पाणी खूप जास्त क्षारयुक्त होतं किंवा यमुनेचं पाणी पिण्यालायक नव्हतं. मग अशा वेळेला हे पाणी डायजेस्ट कसं करायचं किंवा हे पाणी तर आता प्यायचं, पाण्याचा दुसरा सोर्स नाहीये, मग हेच पाणी जर प्यायचं असेल तर त्याला पर्याय काय? तर त्यावेळेच्या हाकिमांनी किंवा त्यावेळेच्या फिजिशियन्सनी याच्यावरती पर्याय असा काढलेला की तुम्हाला खूप जास्त मसाले खाल्ले पाहिजेत. आणि फॉर युअर इन्फॉर्मेशन, दिस इज हाऊ द चार्ट हॅज ऑल्सो ओरिजिनेटेड. म्हणजे जे व्हेजिटेरियन लोक होती, दोज वर व्हेजिटेरियन, दे हॅव इन्व्हेंटेड चार्ट. त्यांनी चार्ट सुरू केलं ज्याच्यामध्ये खूप जास्त चटपटीत, खूप जास्त मसाल्यांचा वापर असेल आणि ह्या मसाल्यांमुळे ते जड क्षारयुक्त पाणी पचवण्याची क्षमता त्या लोकांना प्राप्त झाली. ऍट द सेम टाइम विथ द नॉन व्हेजिटेरियन पीपल, दे हॅव स्टार्टेड इन्फ्युजिंग लॉट ऑफ डिफरंट स्पाइसेस इन देअर कुकिंग सो दिस फूड कॅन डायजेस्ट दिस हेवी वॉटर and do not affect their bodies. So this is how this, that's why I always say that everything which is there in the history or which is there as an authentic recipe will have some kind of science background behind it, and that's how it works. So to start with, this recipe has got the 2-3 stages. One stage is we will marinate the chicken and then we'll cook the gravy. At the same time, we are going to make naan today. So I'll be showing you stuffed naan, I'll be showing you garlic naan, I'll be showing you cheese naan. So these different things we'll be doing it. So
Okay,
let's
chef,
start.
first question is एक तर साधना काकींनी आशीर्वाद दिलाय चालू करा गणपती बाप्पा मोरया आणि कॅशू नट्स और इट्स पेस्ट.
It's paste. We need to use cashew nut paste.
ओके.
So what I'm doing here is I'm just kind of making gashes on the chicken leg.
ओके. कॅन यू शो इट?
I'm just making straight gashes on the chicken.
फक्त लेग पीसला?
Yeah, this we are anyways which way we are using curry cut. So I'm just making light gashes so all the masala can seep in easily.
ओके. मुघलाई डिशेस मध्ये असे कट्स असतात की ह्या स्पेसिफिक?
No, no.
Dishes
Ideally, see, whenever you will be cooking large cuts of the meat, anywhere, right? So if you just gash them, that will allow more flavors to seep in, and that will also help you to cook chicken little faster.
ओके.
So there are two reasons. There are two basic reasons why we do that.
परफेक्ट.
I'm just kindly, just slightly kind of making some gashes.
सो आय वॉन्ट टू अपॉलोजाइज फॉर लास्ट सेशन. तुमचे खूप सारे प्रश्न होते बट आय डोंट नो वाय आम्हाला ते दिसत
Yeah,
नव्हते.
unfortunately, we
And
cannot see
I
that.
could not take a lot of questions, especially a few people who were actually cooking with us. I'm so sorry that I wasn't able to take your questions that day. I hope आज मी तुमचे सगळे प्रश्न घेईन आणि I'll keep on asking him whatever doubts you have. So if people are cooking with us, then do let us know at any stage if you want us to go slow, fast, any doubts.
Yeah, whatever doubts you have, please feel free to ask.
Okay. So he dish chef is going to be spicy or medium spicy? How is it?
This is this is kind of spicy and the tangy.
Okay.
So this will be a spicy and tangy. This will be a combination. You will see how this culinary has evolved over the period of time, and how these people were so intelligent and so clever that they already knew. I mean, it was a long back they knew that how things will evolve and how the use of different spices.
Okay.
And let me also tell you, initially, in those days, they used to use kaddu. Okay, they used to use bhopra. In Makhani, that time they used to use bhopra, not the tomato. Tomato came in 15th century. So after 15th century, kaddu was replaced by the
Tomatoes.
Till that time, it was
So
only
कद्दूचा रोल काय होता? I mean, as a
just to give the
tenderizer.
body.
Okay,
Basically
body.
Basically body, giving a body to a gravy. So
Okay.
what I'm doing here now, I've just started marinating this chicken with the ginger garlic paste.
Okay.
With this, we're going to add some red chili powder, some turmeric. So I'm adding a little bit of turmeric.
I'll just come this side. Can you just take this a little bit here
Yeah.
that we can see it
I'll
properly?
add chili powder. Okay, I'm using Kashmiri chili powder, so I'll be getting more of color. To this, we're going to add garam masala, around half spoon of garam masala.
This is homemade garam masala.
You can use any garam masala; it's completely up to you.
Okay.
I have black salt, so I'm using black salt. If you don't have black salt, you can use the regular salt. I'm using a little bit of black salt.
Any specific reason?
Yeah, because we are going to grill it. We are going to tawa grill it. So black salt will help you to get more water out of the chicken. I'm just adding some salt.
Okay. गुड इवनिंग निर्मल जी. ठीक हो ना आप? ख्याल रखना अपना.
And to this, we are going to add some curd. It's around 3 spoons, kind of 3 to 4 spoons of curd.
So basically पाणी नसलेलं हंकट
kind of marination what we usually do.
मसाले रिपीट करू शकता का प्लीज?
Yes. What I've done is I've marinated chicken with the ginger garlic paste. Along with that, red chili powder, turmeric, garam masala, salt. Okay. And to this, I've added curd.
Hello Neha. Can you apply same marination for the barbecue veggies?
Yeah, you can. For the barbecue veggies, what you can do is you may add little bit of chaat masala to it.
Okay.
Okay, because with veggies, chaat masala goes really well.
अच्छा. म्हणजे हे सेम आपण व्हेजिटेरियन मध्ये पण करू
Yes,
शकतो.
100% करू शकतो.
काही स्पेसिफिक व्हेजिटेबल्स तुम्ही अवॉइड करण्याला
See, whenever you are making tandoor or whenever you are trying to grill the vegetables, always you, avoid vegetables with a lot of waters. I am adding little bit of jeera powder.
जीरा पावडर. ओके.
Okay. And with that,
Okay, you want me to crush it? Okay.
Wait.
Manish Rao sir is already liking the raw chicken.
Yeah. So to this,
I hope he doesn't get into the
I'm adding little bit of black pepper. So this chicken is ready. Always check for the salt.
मला हाच प्रश्न होता की जेव्हा आपण मॅरिनेशन करतो तेव्हा सॉल्ट बरोबर पाहिजे, कमी पाहिजे, जास्त पाहिजे, कसं असतं?
बरोबर पाहिजे. And whenever you are making tandoor ka marination, always make sure salt is a little
हायर.
higher.
Okay.
Because when you tandoor it or when you grill it, generally green chili and the salt, these two flavors which generally gets burned.
ओके.
And generally what happens is with the dripping, when dripping happens, that time you generally find that salt factor has gone low.
ओके.
Okay, so you have to keep salt just right.
ओके.
Never keep it low. So you all can see chicken is marinated properly, done and ready. And keep it aside
ओके.
till the time we are cooking it further. So
Okay.
with this,
Please pop in your questions.
yes. So I'll start the gravy now.
Okay.
We'll be making this in the ghee. So I'm taking around 2 spoons of ghee, 2 to 3 spoons of ghee.
Is this a royal dish? Can you say
it
it's
is, it is a royal dish because it has got a lot of cream, a lot of cashew nuts, everything is there. Let's just get some cashew nuts.
yes, absolutely. So while chef is getting some cashew nuts, please upload a video after the live is over. We won't be able to see. Better would be starting your own page. Absolutely, Mr. Parikshit. Yes, we have our own page. You can follow Chef Yashodhan. Also, we have a Solasa Cafe. You can find a page on Facebook. And after every live video, usually Chef will post it immediately for all those who have missed it. But surely we'll take this feedback. Can you also share some mutton recipe? So, what in mutton would you like to see, Mukta? Would it be something like Rogan Gosh? Chef, there is a
Yes.
suggestion
Mutton?
about, yes, request I think that you can please show some mutton recipes also.
Yeah. I
And
can.
now that you have worked out to make sure that
You all are getting mutton, nothing like it. I'll definitely
Yeah.
be happy to.
Manish sir, the end is always amazing. Only I can taste it right now, I'm sure. Okay, sorry
Sorry for
that we just had a break in the connection. So there are some questions, chef.
Meanwhile, our ghee is hot.
Our ghee is hot. Okay.
So just adding some ghee.
Okay. Can you show something mutton in Rajasthani style or something?
Yeah, why not?
Or a mutton gravy, simply mutton gravy, but Rajasthani is something.
Now it's getting specific chili. Rajasthani.
Lal mas.
Yeah. For lal mas you need Bhajiya chili. So you need specific Rajasthani chili.
Rajasthani chilies. Okay.
Then only you get the good flavor out of lal mas. So making it with a Kashmiri chili is like a kind of adjustment.
Acha. So basically all local dishes have their काय म्हणतात ना आयडेंटिटी म्हणजे स्वतःचे त्यांचे मसाले किंवा spices flavors are all in that dish.
Yeah. See, it is always like that. Until and unless you don't use the local ingredients or the local, what I would say, flavors, it won't work. So I'm kind of sweating the onion. We are going to turn them into a brown onion.
So in the ghee you haven't added oil at all.
No, I haven't added oil at all. You may add little oil if you wish. That okay, too much ghee is not suitable or not acceptable for you. You may add little bit of oil, but I would suggest you to see again why this is being made in the ghee. When you are
I
using
was going to ask you the next
when you are
question.
going to use a lot of spices, then these spices need to be balanced and need to be digested by the body.
Okay.
So ghee will help us to digest these spices easily, and that's why ghee.
Okay. So Chinese lovers like Priyanka Rane is saying Chinese please.
Yeah, definitely. On most probably on a Wednesday or maybe Tuesday, we can make some Chinese.
Okay.
And a lot of people were asking, when are you going to do MP Live for the veg recipes? So that also I think I'll be doing it totally.
Some special dessert recipes also, chef, if possible.
Yeah, why not? We can do a dessert recipe. That's not a big deal. So what I've done here is I've just soaked the cashew nuts for a time being till the time you're browning the onion, and then I'll ground it, because if you soak it cashew nut for at least 10-15 minutes, you get a very nice creamy paste.
How about the baking recipes, chef? Can we?
Yeah, baking too, we can always do it. Whenever you guys, if you can just post some specific time for the baking. I think for the baking, afternoon time is more suitable. If you all, I don't know, if you all are working, we can do it in the night, we can do it in the afternoon kind of stuff. You all can just post and suggest. Accordingly, I'll put the timing and we can start baking too.
Okay.
And how many of you have got some yeast? If you don't have a yeast, then we may have to switch to a baking which doesn't have a yeast. So we may have to stick to the cakes and stuff like that.
Okay. So आता म्हणजे माझा पर्सनल एक्सपिरियन्स असा आहे की सगळ्या दुकानांमधून ईस्ट गायब झाले.
Oh.
म्हणजे सगळ्यांनी आधीच तयाऱ्या करून ठेवलेल्या की काय माहिती
I
नाही.
got some yeast. So I can make it, but still.
थँक्स टू निर्मल.
Yeah. I got some yeast. So meanwhile, by the time these onions are getting brown and curry is processing, I'll show you dough for the naan.
Manish Rao sir is saying someday teach us how to make egg Kejriwal.
Yeah.
Okay sir, egg Kejriwal भी बना देंगे. What do you want? Okay. So now that the chicken and the gravy is in the process, you are
I'm just kind of making a dough here.
dough
I'm
for
taking
naan.
naan. Yeah.
Approximately right now you are targeting at how many naans with this?
Right now, this will be good enough to make somewhere around 8 naans.
Okay.
The small 8 naan. Right now we are not making too much big naan, so this will be kind of good number. Okay.
So
Making a naan dough is quite simple. Okay.
any precautions with naan dough?
Yes, you don't have to do it too much of moisture, and you have to use the right moisture. Okay, so what I'm doing here is I'm just adding kind of little bit of salt.
Okay.
Okay, to the dough.
Okay.
With this, you have to also keep on the eye on
Have
the
a check on your onions. Yeah. The chefs have to be multitasking a lot of things at a time. One thing I learned from your, I've always appreciated this is your timing of, the way you match it with the entire process. म्हणजे तुमच्या जेवणाला खूप वेळ लागतो असं कधीच होत नाही. So probably it's because
Now,
you
Yeah, I'm adding little bit of baking powder now.
baking powder. Okay.
Not much, kind of half spoon kind of stuff.
हा मैदा किती घेतलाय शेफ साधारण?
I've taken around 250 grams of flour.
So 250.
Pav kilo maida. Now there are two way. Okay, there are two way. If you want to make a perfect naan or the best naan, you have to use egg.
Okay, so all those who are vegetarians or non-vegetarians, good news is that to make a good naan, chef is saying that you have to use
You can always avoid
Egg.
egg. That's not a big deal.
you can always avoid egg.
You can avoid egg. Avoiding egg is fine.
So Mr. Nikhil Mathur is in full-fledged. He's nicely writing to all of us that we will upload the video within 24 hours to YouTube too. Please like and subscribe our channel Yashodhan Deshmukh. All videos are on YouTube on our channel. Please like Solasa Cafe and Chef Yashodhan. I'm sure it has been written by Avantika. Okay, and he has invited Manish Rao sir only to Solasa Cafe to have egg Kejriwal.
No, I'll tell you how to make it here. I'm just adding some more ghee.
You're adding some more ghee, okay.
Yeah, I feel we need some more ghee here.
Also, the aroma of the onions in ghee is way different than what
the
it.
oil.
Yes. So the chef in action.
So here now, what I'm doing, as you all know, we have just taken flour along with the baking powder. Now to this, what we are going to do? We are going to kind of make space here. Okay. To this, I'm going to add just one egg.
So the question is, can we add wheat flour instead of maida? Okay.
Yeah, you can use wheat flour.
You can use wheat flour, Archana ji. Have I missed any question? Meanwhile, our onions are.
And always remember to add milk.
Milk.
So
How
what
much
we do
milk?
is little bit of milk, the way
Little
you
bit.
require. Okay, so and always remember, बढ़िया नान का आटा हमेशा दूध के साथ ही लगेगा.
दूध के साथ ही. So for vegetarians, you have to say, chef, that you want it to be actually without egg.
Yeah, you can just knead it with the milk. You can avoid the egg and you can knead it with the milk.
Okay. How long do you want the onions to be done?
They're just almost like getting done.
Okay.
Just need a little bit of browning to it.
Okay. So today, chef, you're going to show us naan on. म्हणजे कशावर बनवणार आहात?
So we are going to make it on tawa.
Tawa,
Yeah,
okay.
we are not going to make it anywhere in tandoor or anywhere. We don't have tandoor at home.
That's why I asked. Farmaish of naan was mine. Okay, so there's Mr. Nitesh who is asking, can we have one video on your journey to become a chef?
That will be a kind of documentary, I guess.
He's only asking you about the journey of becoming a chef,
Yeah.
not about the masti you've done while you've learned.
Yes, knead well.
Okay.
Just
I've lowered
yeah.
the flame of the onions. हे मुघलाई डिशेस मध्ये ब्राऊन केलेला कांदा वापरणं हे असं काही स्पेसिफिक काही रिझन होतं का त्यांचं का वापरायचे किंवा असं काही
See, onion was not available all the time.
ओके
Right. And to carry 100 kg onion,
Huh.
it was quite easy to convert it into a brista, either fry it or either dry it. They used to
Okay.
dry it first.
Okay.
So they used to dry the onion
Huh.
and then they used to fry it. The
Okay.
moment you take out the moisture of the onion and then you fry it, it becomes brown.
ओके
So that's where all these things were started.
सीकेबी फूड फेस्ट मधल्या तुमच्या सिग्नेचर रेसिपीज पण दाखवा
Oh, why not? Yes.
Okay, so there's one question. Can you briefly again tell the process for naan? She just missed it.
Yeah, what I've done is I've taken around 250 grams of flour. To this, I have added pinch of salt, around a pinch of baking powder, around half teaspoon of kind of baking powder, 1 egg, and milk. And kneading this dough with the milk, you have to knead it till the time you get the very clear kind of pan. मैदा दे.
मैदा दे. Okay. 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 So if the pan is clear, that means
The dough
we are
is
done.
ready.
Okay. Can I म्हणजे हा गॅस बंद केला तर चालेल की
Okay.
It's
So what
okay.
we are going to do now is from this onion, I am taking some of the onion, okay, into straight away into a mixie jar along with the cashew nut,
ओके
okay. So I am just keeping a little bit of onion here. The part of the onion I have taken for the paste.
ओके एनी स्पेसिफिक रिझन आय मीन ओनियन आणि कॅशू नट
Yeah,
एकत्र झालं
because it
पाहिजे
will be a quite nice paste
ओके
which we will be using it.
येस
So we'll just finish up with the dough.
ओके नो ऑइल रिक्वायर्ड शेफ
No oil required.
नो ऑइल रिक्वायर्ड ओके म्हणजे नंतर टाकायचं आहे असं काय आहे की
No oil required because what happens is when you add oil to the naan dough, okay, फिर वो थोड़ा पूरी की तरफ चला जाएगा आटा.
ओ ओके
Okay, so we don't want that thing to happen. So what I'm doing is
हे जे असं आता पॅट केलं ते काही स्पेसिफिक
yes, and see by this you come to know the stretchability. You come to know the what is the gluten content right now in the dough.
ओके वॉटर अजिबात घालायचं नाहीये का डो मध्ये
You may add water, but kneading it with the milk gives you very rich dough.
ओके म्हणजे दुधाचा वापर केला तर यू विल गेट बेटर डो ऑल्सो अँड द नान
Yeah, whenever you are making naan, if you make it with the दूध और अंडे के साथ अगर उसकी गुदाई करोगे तो नान बहुत बढ़िया आएगा and you will also get kind of little bit sweetness of the milk. You
Okay.
may add little bit sugar to it.
Okay.
It gives you a very nice color to the naan.
ओके
So if you wish, you can add little bit of sugar when you are kneading the dough. That
Okay,
is also
okay.
one thing you can do.
Okay.
A pinch of it, not much.
ओके सो वी ऑलमोस्ट डन विथ द डो
Yeah.
इज इट रिक्वायर्ड टू बी कवर्ड
You can just cover it and keep it for a good 15-20 minutes.
ओके
So that's why I'm kneading it now. So by the time we are done with our gravy,
ओके सो द क्वेश्चन इज हाऊ सॉफ्ट शुड द डो बी
I'll show you. See,
काय बोट बिट येणं
simple. I'll show you. Now when I'm pressing it, you all can see it is bouncing back. It is bouncing back. Dough is bouncing back, right? So this is the kind of softness what we are looking at.
ओके ओके हा किती मळायचा
You have to
That's
knead
okay.
it well because then only you will get very nice fluffy kind of naan
ओके
or the roti, whatever you are making,
ओके
right?
So
So this is the technique. We're just tucking in.
tucking in, yes.
We're just kind of tucking in the dough. And you're going to rest the dough
Okay.
just like this. For good.
ते हां कोबी काढलात तर चालेल जरा.
For good
Okay.
15-20 minutes. We just cover it.
Okay. We'll cover it.
So I'll just kind of.
Okay, we have to knead it until the gluten is formed and the dough must be little hard or tight.
Right. No. Dough has to be soft. Dough has to be soft.
And the naans are always punched with finger, not rolled with belan or rolling pin. We can add butter, garlic. Okay. Nitesh Moite
It's
sir.
either way. You can roll it, it's perfectly fine. You can do it just stretching with your hand, it's perfectly fine. Doesn't make too much of a difference.
A good tip given by Nitesh Moite sir is we can add curd also while making dough.
Yeah. You can add curd too. See, curd, if you're not using, I have used egg. If you're not using egg, you may add little bit of curd.
Okay.
Okay, so now what I'm doing is, I've got some fried onion ready here.
Yes.
Okay, so this, now I'm going to add little bit of ginger garlic paste and fry it further.
Okay.
Okay, very little,
Mm-hmm.
a spoonful of it, that's it. Till the time the raw smell goes off.
Okay. Now we are on to making the paste of.
Yeah, I'm just making kind of. So you can see nice paste is ready.
Yes, chef.
Okay, so this is still need to be little fine. So that's
Okay.
why I'm just kind of running. Now ginger garlic paste is ready. Okay, I'm adding tomato puree.
Okay.
Okay, I've got 4 tomatoes which is puree.
So boiled.
I've just blanched them and pureed them. That's it.
Okay.
Okay, if you find any segment of the tomato inside your puree, just kind of
Remove it.
remove it. We don't need it. Ideally, at the core in the puree.
Okay.
Okay, in hotels generally we strain the purees, but here at home we are not doing it. So now I have left little bit of onion or fried onion in the pan to get the feel of that fried onion inside the dish. Okay, that's how you have to keep correcting your dish.
Is this a twist or a change that you have brought in?
No. This is how it is to be done.
Done. Okay.
We have got our paste. You can see now. This is now kind of refined paste.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. We can see the difference. Earlier one was a little
Coarse.
yes.
And this one is really good. More kind of. I'll just take out the milk and start preparing the chicken now. So to prepare chicken, what I'm going to do here is I've got some nice pan here.
Okay.
Now to the pan, I'm going to use some ghee.
Okay. So basically chicken in the sense we're going to roast the chicken.
Yeah, I'm going to roast the chicken.
Okay.
So I'm using ghee.
Mm-hmm. A lot of people have joined in a bit late, so
So I'm just trying to cope up with the scenario. If you have any questions in between, you can just.
you have to be a little loud, chef.
So I'm just kind of going in between, we're just cooking gravy here. You all can see I've just heated a pan with some ghee. I'm cooking the gravy. We have to cook the gravy till the time we take out the complete raw smell out of it. Okay, and those tomatoes have to be cooked well.
Okay.
So pan have to be pretty hot when you're placing the chicken. Always remember, pans have to be pretty hot. So you have to heat the pan really well.
तेल अजिबात घातलं नाही ना, फक्त तूप घातलं.
Yeah, only ghee. We are making whole recipe tomorrow in the ghee. So you all can see now that brown onion is kind of dissolved in the gravy.
पॅन लावतो जरा.
So now pan is hot. So this, what I'm going to do now is, I'm going to kind of place the chicken. You all can hear the sizzle. Okay, always remember, never place on top of it. Every piece has to be touching to the platform of the pan.
Wow. The sizzling smell, aroma.
Leave the space for the each piece.
So generally, if you are in your restaurant, you make these in your tandoor.
Yeah, we grill them either in a griller or maybe in tandoor. Okay. Now this remaining marinade, I'm just adding it in the gravy.
Okay.
We are not wasting anything. So I'm just kind of adding this marinade to the gravy.
Okay.
And now the trick here is you don't have to turn the chicken. Okay. You have to keep frying it on a high flame. Make sure that whatever water oozes out from the chicken should get evaporated then and there. That's where you will get the color in the chicken. The moment you will start, dismantling chicken on the pan, it will start oozing out water, which we don't want to happen. You all can see that fat is bubbling up, the ghee is bubbling up with the flavors of chicken. And this masala is also kind of getting cooked. You all can see this. So to this, now we are going to add our powder spices. I'm going to add haldi, turmeric. I'm going to add red chili powder, a spoonful of red chili powder of hot red chili. To this, we are going to add red chili powder, which is again a Kashmiri chili. For the color, with this, I'm going to add garam masala, nice half spoon of garam masala.
Okay.
To this, I'm going to add chaat masala.
गॅस मोठाच पाहिजे त्याला. नथिंग.
So I'm just kind of adding a little bit of water to the gravy. It should not burn. I've added a little bit of chaat masala. we're going to add coriander powder. Nice spoonful of coriander powder. To this, we're going to add jeera powder. Salt. Always remember whenever you are adding salt to this gravy that there is a chaat masala which also contains salt. So adjust your salt that way. Now after adding all the spices, start cooking it.
चाट मसाला स्किप केला तर चालेल का?
You can, but that's a zest. Now once you get nice color on the one side, you can just turn the chicken. You all can see nice color. Okay, still there is some more color to come. You can wait.
ओके.
You have to keep cooking the gravy. You have to cook it very well.
हे नेहमी जर तुम्ही बोलत असता ग्रेव्ही शिजली नाही हे कसं कळतं ग्रेव्ही शिजली?
Till the time you don't see fat oozing out of the gravy is not good. So I'm adding little bit of
धणा
water.
जिरा पावडर टाकलं तर चालेल का? धणे आणि जिरे वेगळे वेगळे टाकण्यात पावडर
हरकत नाही. Completely your choice. So I'm just kind of cooking this gravy well. Now to this, I'm going to add this paste.
ओके. But the aroma is mesmerizing.
Now we are going to add the paste of the brown onion and the cashew nut.
येस, आत्ताच टाकले टाकी कॅशू पेस्ट आत्ताच ही ग्रेव्ही शिजल्यानंतर टाकण्यात आली आहे.
Now to this, add some water.
आत्ता जस्ट टाकायचे का की ग्रेव्ही शिजली आपली की कॅशूनट पेस्ट
See, once
टाकायचे.
you are done with your tomatoes, once the tomatoes are cooked, then only we are going to add cashew nut and the brown onion paste.
ओके. ओके.
You have to keep cooking it. Now to this, we can add little bit of water. Very little, around half cup kind of.
हाफ कप.
Yeah, you can also see the chicken.
येस.
Turn the chicken.
ओके.
See, since we haven't touched the chicken, you can see the chicken has not just cooked in a lot of water, kind of seared. If you all can see, still fat is bubbling. So there is no much of water which is in ooze out of the chicken. At the same time, chicken is getting cooked.
ओके. ग्रेव्हीचा गॅस हा मध्यम
Yes, medium flame वर आपण ग्रेव्ही शिजवतोय.
अंडर कुकिंग ऑफ ग्रेव्ही असते तशी ओव्हर कुकिंग ऑफ ग्रेव्ही पण असतं का काही?
हो असतं ना. ओव्हर कुकिंग ऑफ ग्रेव्ही पण असतं. ओव्हर कुकिंग मध्ये फॅट रिलीज झाल्यानंतर सुद्धा जेव्हा तुम्ही ग्रेव्ही शिजवता
We are not able to hear you, sir.
overcooking is when the moment fat which is released from the gravy and even after that, if you keep cooking it for a longer duration,
काय होतं पण म्हणजे बेसिकली चव बदले.
all the spice oil which has been released in the gravy will get burned, and you will finally have kadwa taste. Okay, if you don't want. Now, in this gravy, generally what happens is, even in butter chicken, okay, what we do, we finished chicken with the cream, right? We finish chicken with the cream to get that kind of a richness in the gravy. But here scenario is different. Here we have to add the cream at this level, so we can cook the cream. So we can cook the cream with the chicken. So I am adding around 3 spoons of cream, 3 to 4 spoons of cream. Add good amount of cream. Don't be afraid of adding some more cream. Cream is good for your health. You can add it. You all can see chicken is nice bubbling up, and it's already 60% done.
Yes. Just very little of moisture. Or
So after adding cream, here we have to whisk the gravy.
okay. Flame for roasting chicken. It's full.
Full. From the beginning.
From the beginning. फ्लेमला हात नाही लावला गेलाय.
Now I am going to add, you all can see, around spoonful of kasuri methi to the gravy. This is very important to add kasuri methi at this level. I have not added kasuri methi at the time of spices which we added. That is because when I add kasuri methi at that time, when flame is high and spices are roasting, you will start getting extra flavor of kasuri methi, which we don't want. We want the subtle flavor of kasuri methi to come in the dish, and that's why we are adding kasuri methi after the cream.
Okay. Sadhana Kaki, after kaju paste, sai was added, fresh cream, because we are currently in an area which was,
We
not
don't have
having
fresh cream.
Yeah, we are not getting fresh cream, ready-made fresh cream boxes or something. So आम्ही घरची साय वापरली आहे.
Now see, the chicken is almost ready. Yeah, it is good to go. You can just switch off the flame.
Okay.
Okay. So now to the gravy, what I'm doing is, I'm just kind of adding green chilies. You can just slit them or just kind of twist them and add them. 2 green chilies I'm adding, which are not so spicy. You can add little. If you are using a spicier one, add just 1.
Any specific reason for having?
See, this is a layer of spice. This is generally what happens is, that's how the basic is to be understood. A lot of people say that cooking is okay. What we are doing is, we are just cooking up first ginger garlic paste, onion, then we are adding your flavoring and stuff like that. But basically what we are doing is, we are layering the flavors. Okay, and this green chili ka jo halka tikhapan hai, green chili spiciness, I want it on the top layer. So that's why I am adding it to the last. If I would have added at the beginning with the oil, that chilies might have released all their flavor into the oil, and which would have been created a base. But I don't want that chili flavor to come in the base, and that's why this cooking or the Indian cooking is complex.
Okay.
Okay, at this stage you just need to check the gravy for the salt.
So basically ह्याच्यात आणि बटर चिकन मधला मेजर फरक किंवा प्रॉमिनंट फरक काय आहे?
बटर चिकन आणि याच्यामध्ये जमीन अस्मानाचा फरक आहे.
Okay. So butter chicken is the milder version.
Yeah.
And this one as such is a little. Okay, so now that the chicken is almost done, हे किती % व्हायला पाहिजे किंवा काही असं काय आहे
Around
का?
70%, 80% chicken has to be cooked.
Okay.
Now we have to cook this gravy till the time we don't see the oil which is coming on the top.
ह्याच्यासाठी लीड लावून ठेवणं किंवा काही असं गरजेचं
You can
आहे?
add little bit of water now and
Okay.
cook gravy on a little higher flame. But
Okay.
you have to keep whisking it if you are adding water.
Okay.
Because of the cashew nut, there are chances when you are cooking it on a high flame
Mhm.
that gravies might burn.
Okay.
If you want to avoid that, always cook it on a little higher flame.
Okay. Okay. So ही दिसताना थोडीशी येलोइश.
Yeah, it's a kind of reddish brownish color.
हाँ.
What you get. By the time we'll add the chicken, you'll see there will be a little change in the color.
बटर चिकन पण दाखवा म्हणून विचारण्यात आलेलं
Yeah.
आहे.
Now flavors are good, great.
Okay.
And you see now the best part is you've not added any curd to the gravy.
Curd to the gravy. Yes.
Right. So whatever was remaining there in terms of marinade should be added. But now what we are doing at the same time, we are resting the chicken. So
Mhm.
all this chicken will start oozing little bit of water and the flavor, and flavors kind of concentrate, kind of come together. And this is the best chicken. This is the best way of doing it, because now after tasting this gravy, I can tell you surely you will be in heaven, because chicken is completely moist. It is still has got some roasting mark. It has got the kind of marinade which is being sealed over the chicken, and gravy is cooking up nice. We are just making this gravy to release some oil.
Mm-hmm.
So we are just waiting for that.
Okay.
Now meanwhile, what we can do is
Okay.
it's almost 15 minutes.
शेफ हे पॅन जरा वापरा होता.
So what I'm doing here now is,
Sometimes I end up overcooking the chicken. Can you please tell how to avoid that?
yeah,
एक मिनिट पकडा.
never overcook the chicken. Overcooked chicken doesn't taste nice. Okay, so what you need to do is always remember that whenever you are searing the chicken, after searing, always remember that whenever you are cooking any meat, you have to sear the meat in the gravies. What happens is chicken or the mutton have to be cooked under their own moisture, and that is the key. See, that's why I would like to show you the moisture level. Closely, I would like to show you the moisture level. I'm just piercing a knife, you all can see. It's just going in softly. See, you can see that? You can see the moisture oozing out from the chicken. When I'm pressing the chicken, you all can see the moisture is oozing out of the chicken. This is where we wanted our chicken, and this is how you cook the chicken. Now you all can see there is little fat which is started to move up on the top. Yeah, you can see this fat. That means this gravy is about to cook.
एकच मिनिट त्यांना चमचा पाहिजे.
We do.
दोन भांडण होते. Is there any alternative for fresh cream? I don't have it. What should we add? Milk. Okay, Abhidya Das. Chef is saying you can add milk if you don't have fresh cream. So because we are blessed to be having the
So this is the time where we are going to add the chicken.
Kaushik Pradhan is saying from tomorrow lockdown 4 starts, so we have lot more dishes coming in.
So what I'm doing here is I'm just adding chicken
Okay.
to the gravy.
Wow.
See, because gas was off and we allow this chicken to rest, okay, all the moisture kind of closed inside the chicken. Otherwise, what would have happened, chicken would have been little runny. And now what we are going to do is we are going to add this rogan on top. the ghee which was there in the pan, I'm kind of add to the gravy.
Okay.
Just mix it well.
खालून वर मिक्स असं कुठेही त्या चिकनला तुम्ही हे करत नाही.
Yeah, see, I'm mixing it lightly so chicken should not break all the pieces. So you can see now there is a shine on the gravy. Just
Okay.
cook it now. Just little bit of water. I'm just kind of making a nice gravy to eat with the naan.
Yes. Wow. Looks very, very rich.
Yeah. So now what I'm going to do now, I'm going to cover this lid and I'm going to cook this chicken till the time chicken is completely done. Right. Chicken is almost kind of, see, you all can see, I've added little bit of water.
No need to add chicken stock in the gravy. Stock in the sense, is she talking about the?
There's no stock left in the pan.
There is no stock left in the pan. Okay. ते जे आपण घी राहिलेलं ते तर ऑलरेडी ऍड केलं राईट.
Yeah.
ओके.
Just adjust to the salt.
At multiple levels you keep on checking for the salt with
Yes.
different
You always have to do it. You always have
म्हणजे जे तुम्ही वेगळे वेगळे मिक्सिंग करता त्याच्यामध्ये काही सॉल्टचे व्हेरिएशन्स होतात का?
to. Yes. So you have to keep checking salt. Now I'm kind of lower the flame. Okay. Cook it next 10 minutes completely, slowly.
ओके.
Okay.
कमिंग टू नान.
Time to the naan. You all can see now. So it's ready for the naan.
Okay. Yeah, Miss Mukta. I am extremely delicious. Not just me. I am not the only lucky one. I have my family also who is going to taste it. Yeah, you can be jealous. We will surely invite you after the lockdown to taste all these lovely recipes.
What I'm going to do now is I'm going to make pedas.
Pedas, okay. Okay, so Neha Pradhan is saying, I wish I was your neighbor. Actually, they are also benefiting. We keep on giving them some portions of whatever we make.
This is how you have to make the peda. Okay, so you can see.
Can you
see
just show?
because of the movement,
एक मिनट ते blur होतं.
because of the movement, see, you have to just tuck the finger inside. You have to take your 4 fingers, tuck inside, and rotate this ball with help of your palm. Okay, you get the exact round pedas.
I know शेजार धर्म आणि CK यांच्या शेजारी तर ऑलवेज लकी असतात. Taste wise, will it be spicy or medium spicy?
This is kind of a spicy and tangy.
But with quite a good amount of ghee and cream.
Yeah.
तसा खूप जास्त झणझणीत
येणार
नाही येणार.
रिचनेस आहे ग्रेव्ही मध्ये.
So you are saying you will make at least 6 or 7 naans?
Yeah, near about.
Okay.
I'm making small naans today
Yeah.
since.
So your kids like cheese naan.
Yeah.
I hope you can make it.
Yeah, we'll make
For them?
some stuffed cheese naan, kind of mozzarella. We have got some mozzarella. Thanks to Nirmal.
Yeah. I think he's still watching. Nirmal ji, cheese भेजने के लिए thank you very much. So with such wonderful gravy, I think chef, you will have to make more naans for us. So if we are making naans with whole wheat or wheat flour, will the recipe will be the same? I mean, the procedure will be the
Yeah,
same.
procedure will be the same. You may add a little bit of flour to a wheat flour. You may still make it with the only wheat flour. It's perfectly fine. And then nowadays even a lot of hotels make their roti with just wheat flour. You may
Health
add even
conscious.
a little bit bran to it.
Bran, okay, fiber.
Yeah. So
Okay.
now we have to rest this
Pedas
pedas
also?
for some time.
Okay. एक
Till
दिवस
that time-
नळी निहारी होऊन जाऊ दे.
Yes, why not? Why not? Why not? Tell me, Nalini,
एक फरमाईशी ऐकूनच मला
I'm just kind of
पोटात कावळे कोकलतायत.
cutting some garlic, finely chopped garlic. for the
Okay.
naan.
So those who are making it with us, I request.
Yeah, those who
Do-
are making with me, please let me know if you have any issues, if you have any difficulty till now. Okay, since we all understand there is a cashew nut paste, you have to just keep stirring it. You can see now,
No, I can't see. Wait, I will. Huh.
you all can see now,
Wow.
the flavors are kind of bursting up. So we want
Amazing.
that gravy to be a little bit more thicker. Okay, that will happen once we cook the gravy, and that's why as I said,
असं व्हर्च्युअल कोणाला देऊ नाही शकत का आपण चाखायला? नाही म्हणजे आता भरपूर काही गोष्टी येत आहेत तर ओंकार वारंगे आले
अरे वा, वकील साहेब जय महाराष्ट्र.
महाडमध्ये आहेत का?
हो,
महाड काय म्हणताय? असं वाटतंय चमचा घालून ग्रेव्ही मध्ये आणि टेस्ट करावं. आय नो, सेम हियर. But then chef
What
is
say
very,
you?
very,
they can't.
yeah, but then he is very, very particular until and unless he doesn't see it the way he wants to. So you're making normal naan, garlic naan, cheese naan. Okay. हळूच टेस्ट करायचा. हळूच पण टेस्ट करणार होते मी, तेवढ्यात तुम्ही आलात.
Just cutting up.
Okay.
I got a mixture of coriander and garlic, which can be put on the naan.
I know. We don't have black till, right? Last time you were asking Mama, no?
Some kalonji.
Kalonji. Okay.
We have got kalonji also.
I can hear some bubbling in the gravy. Is that okay? I mean, काय सारखं स्टिअर करण्याची गरज असते किंवा काय असं? Wow, look at that.
Wait till the time you get the.
I can see the fat being released. आता
And there
तेल
is a
सुटायला
very,
लागले.
very little fat which was used in the cooking. If you see, there is very little fat which was used in the cooking. There was only 2 spoons of
Ghee.
which was
Yes.
there, 2 or 3 spoons of ghee in which we fried the onion. After that, we didn't add any oil or anything.
Why chicken also was
Yeah,
seared?
chicken was seared, but then that was absorbed by the chicken,
Yes.
and that was to keep the moist the chicken.
Yes,
right?
yes.
So we did that. Now that's why the chicken changezi was today. It has got
I have got such nice comments today.
what?
बघूनच कळतंय बेस्ट झालंय. फुल कढई चोरावीशी वाटते.
You
ओके.
are most welcome. You all are most welcome.
अर्चना राजे, इथे तर लोक नवऱ्याला पण चोरण्याच्या गोष्टी करतायत. मला धमकी दिली गेलेली आहे की लॉकडाऊन नंतर या सगळ्या डिशेस बनवून लावायला लावणार आहेत ते काही लोक. त्याच्यासाठी मला माझा नवरा मिळणार नाहीये काही दिवस.
I just prepared for the naan.
ओके. साधना काकी से एक दिवस चिंबोरी काढायची, मटण बिर्याणी होऊन जाऊ दे.
Oh yes. That's
Mutton biryani is mutton biryani. You cannot ever compare it with a chicken.
I make Pakki Goshti biryani. I don't make Kache Goshti biryani. But for that, I have a specific way of cooking mutton. And the surprising fact is, I don't add any water to the biryani. And that's how this biryani is being made.
Okay.
So there is a trick. There will be a trick.
Yeah, Darshana, you can surely come to Solasa once the lockdown is done. आणि असं काही नाही, मथुऱ्यांकडे आलात तरी आपण तिकडे पण पार्टी करू शकतो.
So what I'm doing now, I'm kind of taking a pan
Yes,
which is not non-stick.
which is
Okay.
not
So we
non-stick.
don't want any pan which is non-stick.
अच्छा, साधा पॅन
साधा
घेतलाय.
pan पाहिजे. With handle असेल तर जास्त
हँडल
चांगलं.
असलेला साधा पॅन.
जास्त चांगलं.
ओके
So I'll make some naan now.
ओके. सो आता तुम्ही आम्हाला घरच्या घरी पण आम्ही नान आणि काय म्हणता हॉटेलचा फील घेऊ शकतो
100% येऊ.
असं.
Yes, 100% येऊ शकतो. So by the time this is getting ready, we'll also make some naan.
सो देर इज नो नीड टू कीप ऑन चेकिंग ऑन द ग्रेव्ही, राईट?
No.
वी डोंट हॅव टू.
Just check the gravy. No issue.
अच्छा, सलील आहेस का? अच्छा, ठीक आहे ठीक आहे, ये दर्शनाला घेऊन ये.
So I'll just keep some butter here. It's ready.
म्हणजे आय थिंक सलील इज रायटिंग अँड दर्शन इज कुकिंग.
Just have to stir.
येस.
You all can see because of the chicken moisture level.
The
has
aroma is
increased.
very tempting, boss.
Now you can see it's kind of.
Now I can completely agree
You can
that
see this leg piece now. It is kind of fall off the bone,
yeah.
almost like fall off the bone. So I'll keep cooking it for next another 5 to 6 minutes because I want some gravy to be reduced, but at the same time that flavors to be matured.
Okay.
Okay. So
Okay.
for the same reason, I'm just kind of cooking it.
Okay.
You all can see the nice taste, the nice aroma.
They can't. They can only see the
Yeah.
dish. I can feel the aroma. I can smell it. It's amazing.
So what we need to do? We should heat the pan first.
But if we use non-stick pan, is it okay?
No, non-stick
No.
pan. What will happen is non-stick. The word non-stick means it won't stick.
Okay. And you want it to
Okay,
stick?
we want it to stick.
अच्छा. म्हणजे तुम्हाला त्याला.
You can use any chapati tawa. Ideally, a chapati tawa is the best
Okay.
for making a naan.
घाम. You want something? Table. Any questions? Keep asking. Because I guess the dish will be done in another 5 minutes. Yeah. And the cheese naan is the one which is going in first. You're making a garlic naan or a cheese naan first?
We make first cheese burst.
Cheese burst. Okay. For his, I mean for our kids who are fan of cheese naan. लोखंडी तवा चालेल का?
Oh,
So Neha Pradhan is saying one good thing is that we can learn from you in this lockdown. Oh, actually, you know, I am also getting to meet him and see him more often. Only thanks to lockdown, I mean Corona. Okay, chicken. How much time more, sir?
5 to 6 minutes. In the time you see the gravy is nicely done.
Okay, now see, now if you can see the oil or the fat, not the oil I mean to say, it's kind of getting released from the gravy. This is
You can
what,
see now the fat percentage has increased.
Yes, you can. Now this is what you meant by release of the fat.
Yeah.
Okay, so another 2 to 3 minutes. Yeah, you're
I've
almost
just
there.
taken out some cheese here.
नान डॉ किती वेळासाठी ठेवायचा आहे, रेस्ट करायचा आहे?
15 मिनिटं.
15
15 ते 20
खबरले ना मी
मिनिटं.
15 दिवस आहे.
15 मिनिटं. 15 minutes is good enough. Rest it properly.
चीज नान परत दाखवा. अहो केलंच नाहीये हो साधना काकी.
अजून
थांबा
काय?
थांबा, अजून केली नाहीये.
चीज काढले आता फक्त.
Okay, can you please repeat marination of the chicken? Someone have missed it.
Okay. Marination of the chicken. What we did is we added some ginger garlic paste, some curd, red chili powder, garam masala, black pepper powder. With that, we have added some salt, some black salt, and that's how we have marinated the chicken. So now what I'm doing is I'm using the peda. Okay. Now there are 2-3 ways of doing it. One way you can add nothing, or may add little bit of
No, you show us a safe way.
flour, little bit of
Which-
flour, which will allow you to roll it proper. Okay. And this flour will kind of create. We are making basically a stuff naan, and that's why what I'm doing here is I'm kind of creating a pocket first for the stuffing.
Okay,
Very good masala which is being sprayed over there.
that's okay, chef.
What I'm doing here is I'm kind of
Hi
adding-
Mandar. You are adding some bit of.
Sorry Mandar, not wearing chef coat today.
आता आठवलं ना
So I'm
मंदारला
just
बघू.
what I'm doing it like a paratha. I'm kind of tucking in all the cheese. You all can see. Just like a paratha.
Yes. See.
And at the end, I'm kind of twisting it. And then
हे
turning
बघा.
it back over it.
अहो
Yeah, that's nice. You can just see now. Check the consistency. Yeah, we are okay. We are good to go with this consistency. By the time we shut off the flame, this will be a quite thick and done.
वाव डन.
Yeah.
ह्याचं काही गार्निश बिर्निश काही.
Yeah, we'll do the
To
garnish.
be-
We'll just need to add a little bit of coriander on the top. That's
Okay,
it. We'll do
okay,
all the
okay.
garnish.
ओके.
Kind of.
आणि हा तवा असा चांगला गरम करायचा आहे का?
चांगला गरम करायचा आहे.
चांगला गरम करायचा आहे. ओके
तर तुमचा नान त्याच्यावरती चिकटेल.
ओके.
What I'm doing now is I'm just kind of press it and just kind of stretch it.
Press it and just kind of stretch it. Okay.
I've added little extra cheese for the kids.
Yeah, I can see that. Father's love for extra cheese for his both his kids. आता हे जेव्हा आपण तव्यावर लावू तेव्हा ही वरची बाजू खाली जाते की खालची बाजू वरती?
I'll show you that now, how to do that.
I am so desperately wanting to see that. I've enjoyed eating naans made by him.
Yeah.
But
So now
because
what
I'm shooting,
yeah,
I
what I'm
can.
doing is now, you all can see, I'm just kind of putting up water to one side.
खालच्या बाजूला तुम्ही
अच्छा,
पाणी लावताय.
पाणी लावतो.
Okay.
You all can see this.
खालच्या बाजूला पाणी लावताय.
पाणी लावताय.
येस.
बरोबर? पाणी लावल्यानंतर बरोबर या गरम तव्यावरती आय जस्ट काइंड ऑफ स्टिक इट.
ओके ओके. म्हणजे ती पाण्याची बाजू खाली लावली.
आणि आता हा गरम तव्यावर गॅस आहे तो थोडासा कमी करून टाकायचा.
अच्छा, आता फ्लेम कमी केली. ओके.
You don't have to cover it, you just have to keep cooking it just like that. Because of the heat, you will see now cheese start begin to melt.
Yes. Any specific cheese you have added here?
Yeah, I have added mozzarella.
ओके. पण मग साधं चीज पण आपण ऍड करू शकतो नाही? ओके.
You can see, I think you all can't get this, but you can smell the cheese
Yes.
kind of flavor.
Yes.
Now after 1 to 2 minutes cooking from the bottom, around a minute or so, okay, what we need to do is we need to turn this increase the flame and keep it just like a bhatti.
Okay.
Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm maintaining a distance, a very little distance, but at the same time you can see the cheese has started to bubbling up and fluffing up. That naan has begun to fluff up.
Yes. पण ही अशी पडत कशी नाहीये?
That is because that water has created kind of a steam which is allowing that naan to stick to the pan.
Okay.
So I'm just kind of cooking naan from both the sides.
Wow.
And with the flame, always remember this red color flame will have a lower heat and
Okay.
the blue color will have a little higher heat.
Okay.
Okay. So now to get the color, what you need to do is you need to just keep cooking this way.
For more time.
Yeah, for some more time.
Okay. So while you're
See here
cooking,
with the cheese naan, it takes some more time to get nice color because what happens is there is cheese inside. But with the regular naan, you don't find that much time. What
okay.
I'm doing is I'm just smearing some butter.
Okay.
And then again, you're going to hold it.
ती अशी फुगली छान.
Yeah, that is what the key. And that's what we were always looking at.
आता तो रंग यायला लागलाय. वाव. हा 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 हा. Yes, 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 yes. Wow, that's so nice. Yes, amazing. So how do you know your naan is done? I mean, with the kind of the color that you
Yeah,
want.
color and the steam what you're getting here.
आणि ही अशी छान फुगली आहे. हे फुगणं हे बेसिकली चीज.
So you can see, you can't get better naan than this.
Yes, 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 yes.
Okay, now you just have to scrape.
The bottom.
Yeah, you just have to scrape the bottom.
And I'm sure
You can see from the bottom also, it's kind of see
like a bhatti.
like a
Proper.
bhatti, like a tandoor bhatti.
Yes.
So this is how you generally make a nice naan.
So hotels मध्ये भट्टी मध्ये प्रॉपर भट्टी मध्येच नान केली जाते.
Yeah. I'll just break this and show you if you want.
सो आपण हे घरच्या घरी छान हॉटेलचा फील घेऊन.
Yeah, this is something which nobody does, but I'll do it. Okay. Even though it's a home kind of naan, you all can see the cheese has kind of melted here. You all can see. You can see.
Yes, 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 yes.
So naan is ready.
Okay. Now you're going to make a normal naan
I'm
or
going to make a
garlic naan. Okay.
Soy el fuego que arde en tu piel.
Okay.
Okay, this
So you're
will be
going-
quite thin. You can
This
see.
will be quite thin. Okay.
Since that was stuffed one.
Okay. So that's why we had kept it a little
Yeah, you can see
on the thicker side. Okay.
that. Yes, this will be a quite nice.
एकदा नान परत दाखवाल. नान एकदा परत दाखवाल का? Okay.
So what I'm doing here is I'm just adding some garlic. Kind of pat it inside.
Okay.
Okay. Again, we are going to do the same thing.
उलट घेऊन त्याला पाणी लावायचंय.
छान पाणी लावायचं. व्यवस्थित सगळीकडे.
You have to put water on all the sides,
Yeah.
the bottom side, and then put it on the
तवा.
tawa. And now this naan will be a little काय म्हणतात, thinner or in thickness. I mean the thickness is little less out here. Okay. ते बेकिंग सोडा मुळे तो बेसिकली तो फ्लफीनेस.
Baking powder and
Baking
egg.
powder.
And egg.
Egg. Okay.
Here in the naan.
Okay. Can I just give, or you can give the naan to kids? I'm sure they'll love to eat it at this time. Perfect for them. Okay. Now that chef is giving his kids a cheese naan, I'm just okay. I've got a so there's this notice here, the temperature of your phone is too high and high power.
Okay.
So काहीतरी setting हलवायला
नाही, 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 फोन जास्त गरम झाला. तू जास्त याच्या जवळ येऊ नकोस.
Okay. Okay.
So now again, the same process. चालू आहे ना?
हो चालू आहे ना. We would love to see the kids' reaction too. I currently can't show you the kids' reaction because the room in which they are being, kept. So sorry to use the word. Is right now so colorful, full of toys. My parents are volunteering so that I
can see now.
shoot and he can cook.
Naan is, this is how the naan should come up. From the side it should be little thicker, and in the center it should be thinner, and that's how the bread should be made. You all can see now there are nice bubbles which is coming up. You all can see this.
Wow, that color is so very tempting. आणि अशा छान नान बरोबर लगेचच गरम गरम चिकन खायला चंगेजी ना.
Yeah.
All thanks to the warrior Mr. Changezi.
You can see.
Wow, this is amazing.
I'll just show you. See,
Wow.
this is how the naan should be. There has to be holes, and there has to be crisp from the down. You can see the nice crispiness on the top. This is how the good naan is to be made. Okay. So the rest of the naan we'll make it when we'll go for actual dinner. For now, I think we are done with the chicken changezi. You all can see now that chicken is settled. You can see there is a very little layer of the fat on the top, and gravy is. I'll just move around the ladle. You can see this is the palette. What we call is the coated gravy to eat perfectly with the naan and the rice. Okay, you all can make it at home. Those who are making up, if you have any question, let me know. I'm there to answer. I'll be answering, even I'll be replying to the comments. At the same time, do let me know on Wednesday what you want to see. If you want to see Chinese, let me know. Accordingly, we'll make the arrangement for the Chinese or something else. Whatever you like it, let me know. Accordingly, we'll try to utilize best of the best time of this lockdown. And secondly, how you find my recipes, how you find our coordination, how you find, if you have any suggestion, do let us know. And go and check all the recipes on the YouTube. Subscribe us, and let's begin this journey further for more and more nice recipes. Thank you. Signing off for today.